Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Dimas Luprabowo and I'm from Islamic Education D. And in this morning, let me to tell you about my presentation under the title Eating and Drinking Etiquette in Islam. Okay, before we go into our material, I want to tell you something. As we know, we're such a Muslim people, everything in our daily activity has been managed or on our religion. Yeah. And also, in this presentation, we want to talk about the kind of our daily activity that has managed in our religion. Yeah, there is eating and drinking etiquette in Islam. Okay, eating and drinking etiquette in Islam, there's many kind of or many part of this etiquette. There is a halal food, so eating and drinking by sitting, so eating and drinking by the right hand, finger licking after eating, so didn't use the plate or cup from silver or gold. Okay, let's go to the first etiquette. There is halal food. Okay, halal food. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala say in this Holy Quran on Surah Al-Baqarah number 168 that say, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu kullu mimma fil ardi halalan tayyiban wa la tattabi'u khutuwatis syaitan. Okay. From this ayah, we can to take the conclusion if Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala follow us to eat anything in this world by halal. Yeah. And halal food and halal in this ayah that conclude to the two parts. There is the halal food and the halal way to reach this food. Yeah, sorry. The halal food here. And in this world, many of kind of halal food. There is beef, so milk, vegetable, fruit, and anything. And the kind of haram food, there is pork, so drug, beer, and anything. Yeah. And from this ayah, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala follow us to eat the halal food. And Allah also follow us to reach this halal food by the right way. Yeah. And the right way is not thief, not doing the criminal. Yeah. Because the money from criminal, that is the haram. Okay, we going to the next part. There is eating and drinking by sit. Rasulullah SAW say in this hadith, la yashrabanna ahadun minkum qa'iman, faman nasiya falyastaqi. Yeah. From this hadith, we can take the conclusion if Rasulullah SAW forbidden us to eat and drinking by standing. Yeah. Why? Because this is the part of attitude in Islam. Because if we eat or drink by standing, that same with the animals. Yeah. And also in medical perspective, eating and drinking by standing is a bad idea for our body. Okay, that's the conclusion why Rasulullah SAW forbidden us to eating or drinking by standing. Okay, we're going to the next part is eating and drinking by the right hand. Yeah, Rasulullah SAW say in the hadith, "Ya gulamu, samillaha wa kul biyaminika wa kul mimma yalika." Ya gulamu, hey gulam, samillaha, say in the name of Allah, wa kul biyaminika, and eat by your right hand, wa kul mimma yalika, and eat that's the food near of you. Yeah. From this hadith we can take the conclusion if Rasulullah SAW follow us to eat before we want to eat, we must to pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, or we say in the name of Allah. Yeah. And when we want to eat, we must to eat by the right hand, and we take the food that's near from us. That's the part of attitude in Islam. And the second hadith is, "Idza akala ahadukum falyakul biyaminihi wa idza shariba falyashrab biyaminihi fa inna syaitana ya'kulu bishimalihi wa yashrabu bishimalihi." Okay? Yeah. From this hadith we can take the conclusion, idza akala ahadukum, if anyone from you want to eat, falyakul biyaminihi, he must eat by the right hand. Wa idza shariba falyashrab biyaminihi, and also if he want to drink, he must drink by his right hand. Fa inna syaitana ya'kulu bishimalihi wa yashrabu bishimalihi. That's the devil eating and drinking by his left hand. Yeah. And the conclusion from this hadith is why Rasulullah SAW forbidden us to eat or drinking by the left hand, because if we use our left hand for eating or drinking, that's the same with the devil. Okay, that's why we must to eat and drink by the right hand. Okay, for the next part is finger licking after eating. Okay, Rasulullah SAW say in this hadith, "Idza akala ahadukum ta'aman fala yamsah yadahu hatta yal'aqaha aw yul'aqaha." From this hadith we can take the conclusion, if after we done from our eating, we must to lick our finger. Yeah, because that is part of sunnah. Yeah. Okay. For the last item, for the last page is, didn't use the plate or cup made of silver or gold. Yeah. Rasulullah SAW say in this hadith, "La tashrabu fi ani'ati dhahab wal fiddah wa la ta'kulu fi sihafiha fa innaha lahum fid dunya wa lakum fil akhirah." Yeah. From this hadith, that's mean Rasulullah SAW forbidden us to eating or drinking by use the plate or cup made of gold or silver. Yeah. Why? Because the plate or cup that's made from gold or silver, there is many dangerous in this material. Okay, maybe these 5 etiquette in Islam about eating and drinking. Yeah, I hope to you can to take the conclusion from this presentation, and I'm so apologize if during my presentation there is many fault or many wrong in my speech or my presentation. Okay, thank you very much. I say to you, good luck in our life. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.